Jai Shri Ram, Shri Rama Ayurveda, the glory and greatness of Bhagavan Shri Rama in Ayurveda. In the previous episode, we have seen the importance given to Shri Rama Nama by our Ayurveda Acharya Yoga Ratnakara, that is, Tad Bhaishajyam Smarana Madhuna Rama Rameti Namnaha. So, this is indeed the Daiva Vipashaya Chikitsa, where Shri Rama Nama Japa and Smarana has been told for the pacification of Roga and Maranapura Rupa Arishtas by Acharya Yoga Ratnakara. So, why Ramanama Smarana has been told? Then the answer is Paramatma gets manifested in two ways, and they are Nama and Rupa. The Rupa is not visible after certain time or certain period, whereas the Nama is Shashvata, and through Nama Japa one can get the darshan of the Rupa which has got unmanifested. So Nama has more importance than Rupa, and that's the reason it has been told Nama Smaranad Anyopayam Nahi Pashyamo Bhavatarini. So knowing the Ramanama Artha is our first priority. By knowing the Ramanama Artha, we can come to know as why Yoga Ratnakara Acharya has said to do Ramanama Smarana and Japa. One has to remember that Sri Rama Nama was present before Sri Rama's avatara and didn't originate when Sri Rama was born. So Rama Nama has its origin before the incarnation in Vedas, and hence Rama Nama is addressed as Veda Varnaniyam Nama by Nadopasaka Tyagaraja Swami. One of the nirukti of Rama is Ramaniyatvat Ramaha. So what is Ramaniya? Then the answer is Kshanam yen navatamupaiti tadeva rupam ramaniyataha. That is, the one thing which remains beautiful and gives happiness in every kshana and in any given kshana is Rama, and this is nothing but the Atma Vastu. That's because a Sharira appears beautiful and can give happiness only at a particular period of time and to a particular person, but the same Sharira which was beautiful in due course of time doesn't appear beautiful and doesn't provide happiness. So this Sharira or Jagat is not Ramaniya or Rama, whereas the Jagannatha being Sachidananda Swarupa is Ramaniya or Rama. Similarly, Sri Rama was beautiful in terms of Rupa, Guna, Charitra and Dharma. So if we also want Ananda, then we have to worship Jagadananda Karaka Sri Rama, and due to this only Sri Rama Nama Smarana has been told by Acharya Yoga Ratnakara. Ramanama has three aksharas, namely Rakara, Akara and Makara. Rakaro Anala Bijam Syat, Akaro Surya Bijakaha, Makaras Chandra Bijastu. The order of placement of these three aksharas, namely Rakara, Akara and Makara, is also thing to be noted. That's because Rakara does Papa Dahana as its Agni Bija, Akara does Gnana Pradipana as its Surya Bija, and that's the reason Tamasoma Jyotirgamana has been told. And after Papa Dahana and Gnana Pradipana, one expects Ahladana or Prashanta, and this is provided by Makara, which is Chandra Bija or Soma Bija. The source of energy to both these Loka and Purusha is Agni Mandala, Surya Mandala and Chandra Mandala, and hence Paramatma Tejas which is present in all these three mandalas is Rama. And that's the reason in Bhagavad Gita Krishna says Yadadityagatam tejaha jagad bhasayate akhilam yachandramasi yachagno tattejo vidhimamakam. Thus saying, we conclude today's second episode. Sarvam Shri Sita Rama Hanuma Charanara Vindarpanamastu. Swasti.